How to fix iPhone messages not delivering. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if required. See if connecting to a proper working internet connection fixes your issue or not. If not, in settings again, scroll down and tap on the apps option and then tap on the messages option you see there, and further go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for iMessage and wait for 10 to 15 seconds. This will refresh your iMessage activation. See if that fixes your issue or not, and if not, then tap on the send and receive option you see there, and further make sure that your phone number is checked, and also make sure that your Apple ID is checked too. Next, go back to settings and tap on general and then on date and time. Here, make sure the toggle button for set automatically is toggled on. Now, go a step back to General and then tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone option you see there, and then tap on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Go ahead and reset your network settings, as this will reset Wi-Fi passwords, VPN cellular settings, and fixes messaging issues. See if that fixes your issue or not, and if not, then you can try enabling airplane mode for a few seconds and then disabling the airplane mode again. You can also try to restart your iPhone, as restarting your iPhone fixes majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. And if none of these fixes your issue, then you might be blocked by the receiver. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone messages not delivering. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.